Good morning, everyone. Now we will start the morning call. US markets were positive yesterday. Asian markets are mixed this morning. Rupee weakened 7 paise to close at its all-time weakest level at 83.4 against the dollar. FII stayed net buyers of Indian equities for the fifth consecutive day on Thursday. In other important news, India's GDP growth for the second quarter came in at a much better than expected number of 7.6%. Most analysts were expecting it to moderate to around 6.8%. Upside surprise came primarily from manufacturing sector, which grew by 13.9% year on year, and construction sector, which grew by 13.3%. While services grew by just 6.7% and agriculture grew by 1.2%. So this news is positive for manufacturing, capex-led sectors such as capital goods as well as infrastructure. On the election side, the exit polls results for all five states, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Telangana, Chhattisgarh, Mizoram, have been declared. And the results for the five assembly elections will be declared on Sunday, 3rd December. A poll of polls indicates that BJP will win comfortably in Rajasthan. Madhya Pradesh may stare at a hung assembly with both BJP and Congress going neck to neck. Congress is expected to win in Chhattisgarh and Telangana. And in Mizoram, both BJP and Congress will lose, and two local parties are ahead of them. Overall, was expected by the market, this sort of outcome. So this will be neutral, but the news on the GDP front is quite positive. So I will now invite the technical team to take the call forward.
Yeah, thank you, Jan. Good morning, all of you. See, today we expect positive open, and we saw that some resistance and upside. Next immediate resistance place around 20,200 and 240 in upside, and immediate intraday support place around 20,100. If Nifty break 20,100 again intraday, then we expect some profit booking in index. If Nifty managed to sustain above this level, then we expect this momentum to be continued towards 20,300 and 20,240 upside. Bank Nifty also facing some resistance in upper range around 44,700, and it break that level, then we expect further rally. Otherwise, intraday immediate support place around 44 to 40 and 300 at downside. Below this level, then we expect some profit booking in Bank Nifty also. To today's first up, watch closely if Nifty sustain upon level 44 700 in Bank Nifty and Nifty 20,170 and 200 level. Then we expect further rally towards 20,300 and 400 and upside. But otherwise, if Nifty close below 20,100 and Bank Nifty close below 44,240, then we expect some profit booking in both index. Fin Nifty also trading in the resistance zone, 20,000. 20,000 140 is the next immediate resistance, and 19,940 is the first immediate support for Fin Nifty. Below that, we expect some profit booking if Fin Nifty close below 19,940 level. So overall, both all three index trading in upper range, and some resistance level is there. To if close that level, then we expect positively momentum. Otherwise, we see some second half in profit booking in the index. Stock specific, GAIL looks positive at current level. NTPC also looks positive at current level. Negative side, Infi Asian Paint looks weak at current level. We expect some profit booking happen in yesterday in Infi also, and Asian Paint also. So we looks weak today's session also. That's it for technical derivative I can get.
Yeah, thank you. Good morning, everyone. So on the derivatives front, as we are seeing that OI positions are continuously getting added up near ATM strikes. And now, if you look at the overall structure from the data triggers on the PCR, also there is not much of a change. All the data seems to be on the positive front. Only the concern is India Wix. India Wix, we are seeing that from last 2 days, it has shooted up sharply. Yesterday, also India Wix gave closing near 12.70 level. So we are seeing that as the events are also approaching like election result, due to that we are seeing that the India VIX is getting shooted up and volatility is likely to increase in the market. But currently, as per the OI positions, 20,000 is holding a strong support in the market. Once if Nifty goes below 20,000 level, then only we might witness some sort of profit booking, or else on the upper end, we are seeing that the resistance which is placed is at 20,200 level. Once Nifty manages to get cross about 20,200 level, again we might see another 100 to 150 points positive front on the Nifty towards the 20,400 to 450 levels. So hold the long position with the support of a 20,000 marker. While on the stock specific and sectoral specific front, counter which looks positive is GAIL, Delta Corp, Zeal, and Indiabull Housing Finance. These four counter looks positive. While on the negative front, we are seeing that Tata Motors, Infi, Escorts, these three counter looks negative in today's trading session. So that's it from derivative front. Thank you.
ITD Cementation has bagged a 1,000 crore order for civil and hydromechanical work in Andhra Pradesh. This is positive. And also yesterday, the Defense Ministry came out with a lot of orders, and it will be spending 230,000 crores to buy helicopters, fighter jets, missiles, tanks to strengthen the country's defense capabilities. Direct beneficiary of these orders are companies such as Hindustan Aeronautics, Bharat Electronics, Bharat Forge, and BHEL. So these four companies should be the primary beneficiaries of yesterday's announcements by the Defense Ministry. Thank you.
Good morning. Today, Flair Writing Industries Limited is going to list, and it is expected to open on a 25% premium, that is at around 390 levels. Price band at upper end was set at rupees 304. We had recommended subscribe to the issue. The total issue of rupees 593 crore. consisted of fresh issue worth rupees 292 crore and offer for sales worth rupees 301 crore. And the funds raised through fresh issue to be utilized for the capex requirement of rupees 142 crore and the working capital requirement of rupees 77 crore for Flare and its subsidiaries. And also it is expected to repay rupees 43 crore for the borrowings availed by the company and subsidiaries. Flare is established in 1976, which specializes in manufacturing and distributing writing instruments, which includes pens, stationery items, and calculators. It caters to brands such as Flare, Hauser, Pierre Cardin, and Zoox. While it has launched a range of Flare creative instruments in 2021, it has also recently forayed into houseware products such as steel bottles through Flare Writing Equipments Private Limited. It is one of the leading company in the industry, operating with the domestic market share of 9%, and it has outperformed the industry with the revenue growth of 14% CAGR between FY 17 to 23, as against industry growth of 5.5%. If we look at the company's performance, it has delivered 19.5% operating margin in FY 23, and the return ratios are also attractive at ROE at 27.1% and ROCE at 30.5% in FY 23. Further, we expect the company has strong future growth prospects on account of diversification into housewares and steel bottles and appliances, and ongoing expansion plans. Long-term investors can hold the stock post-listing, as we expect the strong growth in writing and creative instruments industry. Thank you.
Commodities team can take over.
Yeah, thank you very much, Gian. Good morning, everyone. So yesterday we had witnessed some cool off in gold prices, and if prices are sustaining below, if prices are sustaining below the 500 mark, then cool off in the February contract. So watch out for 60 to 500. And on upside, prices are resisting the 60 to 900 to 63,000 zone. So one can sell around 60 to 750, 800, and strictly maintain a stop loss of 63,000 for trading purpose. And if it is sustaining below 60 to 500, then one should maintain a cautious view, as some pull off can lead to prices down till 60 to 200. In silver, rather, we are seeing some strong movement, and one can initiate a buy around 77 400, and strictly maintain the stop loss of 76 900. If prices are closing below 76 900, then one should be cautious in long positions, and on upside one can take profits around 78,000. In crude oil, yesterday we had witnessed uh, first of all a rise, and then a cooling off in the prices. So for the day, we are expecting prices to correct till 60 to 50, and on downside, one can expect 60 to 50 to 60 to 100, and maintain a stop loss of 60 6500. And natural gas prices are consolidating, so prices are trading within the range of 230 to 240. So one can trade within this range. Copper, one can buy around 720 22 23, and on upside we are looking for 728 730, and uh, one can maintain a stop loss of 717. That's it for me. I'll ask Utkarsh to take the call forward.
Thank you, sir. Very good morning, all of you. For today's trading session in USD we are expecting some sideways momentum within a range of 83.42 on the and lower side 83.28 levels. So if prices comes around 83.38 levels, the one can take a short position for the intraday purpose with a stop loss of 83.46 levels for the target of 83.28 and 83.24 levels. In GBP INR, one can initiate a long positions if prices sustain above 105.55 levels with a stop loss of 105.14 levels for the target of 105.79 and 105.97 levels. Thank you.